This Sun Realty property video is presented by Hugh Willie. This is an amazing home, all of luxurious features and benefits most buyers and guests are looking for, built in 2002 and pool installed 2003. Includes 5 bedrooms, 4 are ensuites, with private baths, and 5.5 baths. Located at MP 15.5, this is a custom-built home. Gross rentals for 2020 were $77,795. Bookings thus far for 2021 are $74,710. Enjoy ocean and sound views from both upper and mid-level decks. All decks have comfortable seating, including porch swings on both oceanside and soundside decks to watch the sunrise and/or sunset. Lounge in your 14x24 private, heated, which is optional, pool or relax in the 2 massage chairs inside that are located on the mid-level while viewing the ocean. This home also includes a large secluded hot tub for 6 adults on the lower patio enclosure plus an outdoor Tiki Bar with electricity for making your own Margaritas and/or smoothies. Additionally, the home features a griller's dream with a granite-topped outside cooking station, complete with a large stainless steel charcoal grill, a large stainless steel gas grill and cinder burner where you can cook your entire meal. Home includes all furnishings except the pinball machine. On the top level is 1 ensuite bedroom plus half bath. The kitchen area has stainless steel appliances with double oven. The great room area includes 2 reclining sofas and 1 recliner with gas fireplace. There are 7 flat screen TVs throughout the home, with Dolby surround sound in both great room and game room. The Dolby surround sound is also located poolside. The game room on the ground level has a wetbar with full-size refrigerator, comfortable corner sofa, a Connelly pool table, Ms. Pacman, Galaga video arcade game, PS3. Plus on the ground level is a bunk bedroom and full hall bath. Close to Jennette's Pier, shopping centers, restaurants, and family activities. Enjoy private access to the beach through the Pebble Beach Hoa Beach access across the street. Put this house on your semi-oceanfront Best Buy lease. For more information, review the details.